Money is a device that can assist you with accomplishing your objectives. It can give solace and dependability to your family, make it simpler to anticipate the future, and permit you to save towards significant achievements. Be that as it may, to accomplish these things, you want to know how to bring in your cash work for you. Bringing in your cash work for you implies assuming command over your funds, then, at that point, utilizing that control to work on your monetary steadiness and security persistently. You may ultimately have the option to acquire monetary autonomy or create financial stability through effective money management. Yet, neither of those things can occur without first comprehension, where your cash is proceeding to learn better ways of utilizing it. At the point when you comprehend where your cash is coming from and are deliberate about where you spend it, you are bringing in your cash to what you maintain that it should do, as opposed to spending without an arrangement. At the point when you know the amount of pay you possess, you can choose where to put it. At the point when you are conscious about where you spend it, you are in charge of your cash. This is the most important move towards making it work the manner in which you need to, as opposed to feeling constrained by your funds. At the point when you are in the red, you pay more than the expense of the first buy. You likewise need to create interest installments that can significantly cut into your pay. Obligation implies your cash isn't working for you, it's going towards paying that premium. It makes a monetary weight and restricts the decisions that you can make. Shocks are startling when you don't have control of your funds. A startling vehicle fix, an operation, an employment misfortune, or some other monetary crisis can rapidly send you spiraling into new or more obligation, clearing out any headway you have made towards assuming command over your cash. Making a rainy day account is one more method for bringing in your cash work for you, since it implies you have made arrangements for shocks. Assuming a crisis comes up, you can give the cash in your asset something to do and recapture control of the circumstance. At the point when you put your cash into ventures, it develops completely on its own through revenue or the expanded worth of what you put resources into. A few ventures likewise deliver profits, which you can either take as additional pay or reinvest to assist your portfolio with developing. Regardless of how you are saving or money management, have a particular arrangement of objectives. Understand what you are really going after, such as paying for your kids' schooling, buying a home, or exiting the workforce. This will assist with centering your spending and give you inspiration, as well as assisting you with concluding what sorts of ventures you are making. You ought to make yourself so fit and fruitful that you don't have to work any longer. However, at that point, additionally, your bank balance builds every single moment. It will happen just when you really buckle down for a couple of long periods of your life and construct a domain for yourself where you utilize others and they work for you now and make you rich consistently. Best for you. The best model is Steve Jobs. At the point when he kicked the bucket in 2011, his total assets was $10. To be. Since the greater part of his home was in Apple stock, and the worth of the stock went up, his domain is presently worth $19 billion, practically twofold, and he is dead. Steve didn't work for that cash, he was dead. His stock worth and the accumulated revenue from different speculations is the means by which the cash became so enormous so quick.